What is valuation of metal mines? The valuation of metal mines is a multifaceted process that involves assessing the economic viability, potential profitability, and market value of a mining operation. It combines geology, financial analysis, and market evaluation to determine the worth of a mineral deposit and the mining operation associated with it. Here's a comprehensive overview. Geological factors. Mineral deposit assessment. Understanding the geological characteristics of the mineral deposit is crucial. Geologists evaluate the size, grade, mineral content, and/or body shape to estimate the potential quantity and quality of the metal ore available. Reserve and resource estimation. Mines are classified based on their mineral reserves and resources. Mineral reserves represent the economically mineable part of the deposit, while resources include the total known quantity of the mineral, often with lower certainty in terms of economic viability. Economic and financial considerations. Cost estimation. Detailed financial modeling involves assessing the costs involved in exploration, development, extraction, and processing of the ore. This includes expenses for labor, equipment, energy, environmental compliance, and other operational overheads. Metal price forecasting. Valuation involves forecasting metal prices to estimate potential revenue. This estimation considers current market prices, historical trends, and future market projections for the metal being mined. Discounted cash flow analysis. This financial modeling technique factors in cash inflows and outflows over the lifespan of the mine. Future cash flows are discounted to present value, considering the time value of money and risks involved. Operational and market assessment. Mining method and technology. The valuation considers the mining method used, as well as the technology and equipment deployed. The efficiency and effectiveness of the extraction process play a significant role in determining the mine's value. Market demand and supply. Understanding market dynamics, including demand for the metal being mined, global supply chain factors, and trade agreements, is essential. The valuation considers how the mine's production aligns with market needs and trends. Environmental and social considerations. Regulatory compliance. Evaluating compliance with environmental regulations, health and safety standards, and adherence to social responsibility plays a role in valuation. Compliance issues can affect operational costs and public perception. Social and political risks. Political stability, community relations, and social factors affecting the mining operation can influence the overall valuation. Socio-political risks can impact long-term feasibility and profitability. Risk assessment. Assessing and quantifying risks is an integral part of valuation. Risks related to geological uncertainties, market fluctuations, operational challenges, regulatory changes, and socio-political factors are analyzed and factored into the overall valuation. In summary, the valuation of metal mines is a comprehensive and intricate process that integrates geological, financial, operational, and socio-political factors. The valuation aims to provide an accurate assessment of the economic potential and market value of a mineral deposit and the associated mining operation. This assessment is crucial for investors, stakeholders, and decision-makers in the mining industry to make informed decisions about investment, development, and management of mining assets. How is valuation of metal mines made? Valuation of metal mines involves a comprehensive process that integrates geological, financial, operational, and market assessments to determine the worth and economic potential of a mineral deposit and its associated mining operation. This process is crucial for investors, stakeholders, and mining companies to make informed decisions about investments, operations, and acquisitions. Here is a detailed breakdown of the steps involved in the valuation of metal mines. Geological assessment. Mineral deposit analysis. geologists assess the mineral deposit's characteristics, including size, grade, shape, and quality of the ore body. Understanding the mineralogy and geological structure is crucial to estimate the quantity and quality of the mineral resource. Resource and reserve estimation: mines are classified based on their mineral reserves and resources. Mineral reserves represent the economically viable portion of the deposit, while mineral resources encompass the total known quantity of the mineral with lower certainty regarding economic feasibility. Economic and financial analysis. Cost estimation. Financial modeling involves evaluating costs associated with exploration, development, extraction, and processing of the ore. This includes expenses for labor, equipment, energy, environmental compliance, and other operational overheads. Revenue projections. Estimating the future revenue generated from the mine involves forecasting metal prices, considering current market prices, historical trends, and future market projections for the metal being mined. Discounted cash flow (DCF) analysis. This financial modeling technique assesses the net present value (NPV) of the mining operation by discounting the future cash flows to their present value, considering the time value of money and inherent risks. Operational assessment. Mining method and efficiency. The valuation considers the mining method, technology, and efficiency of the extraction process. The effectiveness of the extraction process significantly influences the mine's value. Mine life and expansion potential. Analyzing the mine's lifespan and its potential for expansion or further resource discovery impacts its valuation. The longer the mine life or potential for resource expansion, the more valuable the mine. Market analysis. Demand-supply dynamics. Understanding market dynamics, including the demand for the metal being mined, global supply chain factors, and trade agreements, is crucial. Valuation considers how the mine's production aligns with market needs and trends. Market position and competitiveness. The mine's position in the market, including its competitiveness, market share, and ability to meet demand, affects its valuation. Regulatory and environmental considerations. Regulatory compliance. Evaluating compliance with environmental regulations, health and safety standards, and adherence to social responsibility plays a role in valuation. Compliance issues can affect operational costs and public perception. Risk assessment. Evaluating and quantifying risks related to geological uncertainties, market fluctuations, operational challenges, regulatory changes, and socio-political factors is crucial in the overall valuation. In summary, the valuation of metal mines involves a meticulous and multifaceted approach that integrates various disciplines. It combines geological, financial, market, operational, and regulatory assessments to determine the mine's worth and economic potential. This thorough evaluation aids investors, mining companies, and stakeholders in making informed decisions about investments, operations, and the overall management of mining assets. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, like my videos and write comments under my videos.